What's up, everyone? Carlin Atkinson here with the dual wheel tools for the Ventrac tractors. And what this little tool does is it makes Ventrac duals easy. A lot of guys run into trouble removing the duals. It can be a challenge. Either the threads are seized if they've been on for a long period of time, or you just want an easy way of zipping duals off to get through, someone's backyard gates. Maybe you need to load on a narrow trailer, or you want to switch to tires with chains. There's a whole host of reasons. You're digging dirt, with the power bucket. You want to swap to singles versus the duals. This tool here will make it simple. All right, so we'll show you how the dual wheel tool works. Basically, what you do is you want to follow the same instructions you get with the manual for the duals. Loosen the draw bolt a couple of turns, maybe 3 turns or so. You'll take your sledgehammer, whack that good, and what you want to do is make sure that this is good and loose. If you can move it in and out by hand, you know that the draw bolt is released. Then what you want to do is slide the tool on and engage it with the lug nuts. Then you can take your socket and spin that off. Now you actually have a good place to get torque on this. Instead of trying to bear hug this thing down on the ground, if there's chains, it's not digging into you. If it's muddy or dirty or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it. You can actually, if they're really seized on there, you can take a cheater bar or a pipe, slide it over your socket so you extra leverage. But now you can actually just take this and spin it right off. And then once you got it going, you can even use the tool as almost like a little battering ram to knock that socket off as well. So knock that off, and then rest is history. You just spin it off, and you're good to go.